What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Back with another video on the beautiful M1000. I don't know how long it's been since I made a video on the M1000. I'm losing track, switching vehicles and all that. But today's video, we are going to be taking the bike in. I'm getting the new lightweight, better looking rear brake rotor. I got that initially for the the Ducati, and when I bought it for that bike, I was like, might as well buy it for this one. Why not? With, you know, titanium bolts and stuff like that. I also want to bleed my rear brake. It feels a little bit squishy. I don't know if that even makes sense, but you know what I mean. When you need to bleed your rear brake, it just feels a little like not, it doesn't feel right. Get that done, and that's literally it. It's kind of just an excuse to go out and ride. It is way colder than expected. It's supposed to be nice today. It said it was 65, but sure doesn't feel like 65. Maybe because it's like super cloudy and there's like no sun at all. So I don't know. Again, I am using the Pista. It's my new daily, so let me know how you guys like the audio. I know it's going to be a little bit louder, but this helmet feels so much better. I'm sorry guys, like I suffered a lot with the Scorpion to get better audio, but I don't know how I feel about like the Scorpion. It's just like it's so bad in comparison to this helmet. I do miss riding this bike. It's such a like smooth, easy bike to ride and just casually fun, if that even makes sense. But I say that about most of my bikes. I mean, I did, you know, that was my dream garage. So all the bikes that I have are bikes that I really like. So it definitely makes sense, but when I don't ride a bike for a minute, I do miss it. Like yesterday when I rode the R1 for you guys for the last video pretty much, I missed that bike too. This bike is just so like butter smooth. It's really hard to kind of like beat it when it comes to like comfort. The only thing that could have been better is like the seat. The seat is a little kind of like stiff-ish, but still a very comfortable riding position. Heated grips, cruise control, all the goodies. So, and I don't know if you guys noticed, probably did, because no, last time when I took this bike, I went to this kind of like meet ride, so it's kind of dark. But look at this, my OCD was bugging me so much because one of them was yellow and one of them was red. I don't even know if I told you guys before, but my friends have an M1000RR2, the Sao Paulo one that you guys have seen on the channel. And I was like, hey, you guys have a yellow M1000. I don't have any yellow on my bike, so let me give you my yellow little sticker and you guys give me the red one. They're exactly the same, just different colors. So it worked out. Theirs is both yellow matching the bike, and mine are both red matching the bike with a little blue piece that I put on here. That's probably way better for you guys when I'm like all the way in the slow lane, so you guys can hear me better. But yeah, sorry, this is not like a very exciting video. I'm just kind of like taking the bike for some upgrades. Next up for this bike, I do want to replace, I already ordered them. I don't even remember if I told you guys, but all these little nuts for the windscreen. I have the titanium bolts, but then realized that they make nuts too. So I got all the titanium ones right here, but they were the wrong size. So I have to order them again, the correct size, and I'm probably gonna get these big ones too here for the Rizoma Stealths, just because, you know, that looks very clean too. And then she'll have every titanium bolt I could want, pretty much. Let's just cruise control it then. Thanks. Cruise control is very underrated on this bike, or on sport bikes in general. I know they're not designed for that, but they do make a difference. I like them. All right, let's go a bit faster. even they're laughing. They're like, what is this guy doing? Riding on the freeway with no hands. Look at my no hands. I do feel like I'm gonna fly off because it is a little windy. So I don't know which route to take. We'll take the longer route, the quicker. They want to see a wheelie? Gotta give the people a show. Yeah, it's a pretty day. Sometimes solo rides are really fun. What is that? That's the stuff you see like in the desert and like movies and stuff. I got too distracted. Comes up way too easy. It's so light up front. I don't think I can be putting the videos with the wheelies for you guys because YouTube doesn't like wheelies, and then they stop promoting my videos if I do that. So new rear rotor. Replacing this one. Alright, we are back. We got the new lightweight rear rotor on this bike. It looks really good, and the stock one is like very heavy, so pretty sure this makes a difference. It also looks so much cleaner on that bike. I'm glad I got it. And I thought I ordered these bolts, but just now, but the website tripped out. I wanted to order these little nuts. These ones right here, the bleeder right here, the bolt right here, and I think another one like right here, this guy. So sadly it did not go through, so I'll have to do that when I get back home. It got so much colder just because it's sun is starting to set. So cold right now. What is that, Porsche? Come here. GT3 RS? GT2 RS! Like, you wanna play? Nah, GT2 RS doesn't want to play. Yeah, he gone. He doesn't want to play with this bike. Actually, that car would probably keep up. The GT2 RSs are crazy fast. I don't know if it'll keep up with this one, with the M1000 Stage 3, but it sure will keep up with some leader bikes. This bike is extra fast. Holy, the temperature changed. I was debating going to a little, there's like a meet going on that's like a Fast and Furious movie meet type of thing tonight, but that's in like a few hours, and if it's already freezing right now, it's an hour away too, that meet. So I was like very debating going there. I'm like, after riding right now, I don't know if I want to go. I don't even know what this video is going to be, or if I'm going to use all of it, honestly. But it's okay. We're rolling. I also saw a little rock chip that I got on my carbon wheel. Hurt my soul a little bit. I like the sound of this bike. It's like loud, but it's loud enough. It's not like annoying. Like the Fireblade is crazy loud. It's almost like a little bit too much. It actually hurts my ears. This one doesn't really hurt my ears. Like I hear it, it drones a little bit, but it's good loud. I didn't even test out my rear brake. I bled it because, you know, I was telling you guys it felt a little weird, a little mushy. Now we bled it and adjusted it too, so it's a little, it grabs earlier. Feels good. I slowed down completely by using just the rear brake. Yeah, I was told that the rear rotor isn't as strong, and I definitely feel that. The one on the Ducati is actually bigger, so that one feels pretty good still. Just, you know, lighter and better looking. But this one was very, very minimalistic, the rear brake on this bike. Go to the race menu and see what that lean angle was. 42, that's cute. Yeah, I like the screen because it tells you your max lean angles and all that. I don't even know how I hit 20 going this way. Is that just like, oh, I guess that's just by doing this. I was going on the freeway the whole time. This is the one little spinny thing that I took. Yeah, I definitely never advise people to like lean a lot on the streets, because even with like a little over 40, you know, 42, if I hit a little gravel going like that fast on a turn like that, I'm probably sliding out. So obviously traction control and all that helps, but you know, it's still very, very sketchy, and it's just not worth it. I would say canyons are sometimes better, but not always. Like select areas of the canyons are better, just because there's like kind of like less cars going through it. Or is it the other way around? Usually if there's more cars, that means like the road is cleaner. I don't really know. Well, all I know is that canyons usually don't have as much gravel, but like here in roundabouts and stuff like that, there's always a lot of gravel. Do a little, I was literally about to do a little high speed pull, and then these cars just came right in front of me. Those heated grips really work. It's so warm. We'll just do a little baby pull. Sorry if this video was very, very boring. Just wanted to update you guys about this bike, getting it done, and going on a little ride. And something is loose over here. Alright, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out and ride safe.